In any academic environment, social dynamics are often dictated by tacit agreements regarding what is considered acceptable behavior. Consider, then, the figure of a student, remarkable not for academic performance, but for an unmistakable propensity to laugh at his own jokes, regardless of external validation. This conduct did not pass unnoticed. Predictably, peers responded with derision, employing mockery as a means of enforcing conformity within their cohort. On one occasion, an inquisitive peer posed the question, "Why do you persist in laughing, even in isolation?" The response was disarmingly logical, "Because nobody else will." Underlying this exchange is a critical lesson about the autonomy of joy. Rather than yielding to collective indifference, the student insisted on authorizing his own amusement, thereby asserting a kind of quiet independence. In the aftermath, the questioner found themselves adopting a similar posture, recognizing that confidence is internally conferred, not externally granted. Ultimately, laughter, in this context, transcends humor. It becomes an act of self-determination in the face of pervasive doubt.